guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. As you see by the title of this video, we are doing a giveaway. I'm super excited because I meant to do this giveaway back in December, but like I told you, I got sick and I just kind of dropped everything. So anyways, here we are. So I'm going to be going through every little thing that's going to be in the giveaway. As I was sitting here like getting ready, I did realize there's a lot of skincare, so I probably will be picking up a few more things here and there before the giveaway ends. But the giveaway is going to run from run until February 10th, and I will announce the giveaway winner on February 12th. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we have in the giveaway, this is new, it's by BH Cosmetics. This is the chocolate marshmallow truffle. This is a blush palette. Sorry to open it, but I do just kind of want to show you guys what it looks like. Now it says that it's supposed to have like a smell to it. I didn't put my nose to it. I didn't want to smell it. Some lucky winner will be getting this. Next we have the Glamettic Eyelashes, and I have the liquid magnetic eyeliner to go with it. Next we have the iconic London. This is a eyeshadow palette. Okay, and this is a Vice Art. This is a eye primer. I know a lot of you guys, whenever we did the last couple of giveaways, a lot of you guys were like, oh, I don't have any makeup, I don't have this, I don't have that. So I want to make sure that I included a little bit of everything in there. So this is the Estate eyeshadow single. It's called Shmoney. So now we have the Pure Hearts Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. This is Kate Somerville. This is more skincare biomimicking peptide serum. This right here is an all-time favorite for me, so I want to make sure I added this in there. This is a setting spray by Morphe. This is the Continuous Setting Mist Lip Line Corrector. This is the 111 Skin. This is a Cryo Activating Hydrogel. And the Ipsy Textress Eyeshadow Single. The Go-Go Tint by Benefit Cosmetics. This is a cherry tinted lip and cheek stain. So if you like to put like liquid, what do you call it, blush on, that's good for that and for tinting your lips. This is the 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Booster. Okay, this is an eye gel. Now we have another eyeshadow palette. This one is by Real Her. It says Do Your Squats, and these are the shades inside. So this one's more neutral nude tones. I have this one. This is a Magnetic Crimson by Revlon. By Rimmel London. Really, this is just something that I had, and I was like, I'm probably not gonna ever use this, but it does have really pretty shades in it. This is a Cake Balm Bath Balm. Okay, so next I have the Betty Boop. This is a Betty Boop Ipsy collaboration palette. And these are the shades inside of here. So very, very pretty. And last but not least, we have a ColourPop lip gloss. This is from their new collection. This one is called Cross Street. So I'm assuming that it's gonna be like more of a mauve color. I didn't want to open this one for you guys because it is a lip thing. Well, I guess I could just open the box. So yeah, it's just like shiny. This one's pretty. I might go back and get myself one. Alright, you guys, so that is everything that's going to be in the giveaway. I hope that is all stuff that you guys will be happy with. And like I said, I'll probably pick up a few more things here and there before the giveaway ends because that is kind of long. I just want to make sure that everybody's going to have time to get in. You know, there's going to be, you know, make sure that you subscribe now, like this video, so that you can see all the bonus entries that are going to come available in future videos. If you did not watch this video all the way through, I'd appreciate it if you did, so that, you know, I can get the watch time minutes. All that you have to do to enter this giveaway is make sure that you like this video, make sure that you're subscribed, and in the comment section below, I want you to give me some video ideas that you guys want to see, or like some color combinations that you want to see for eyeshadow looks, or any type of makeup tutorial, or really any type of video that you want to see. That's pretty much it. And if you're interested in this makeup look, of course there's a tutorial look in the description box below, and you guys will see my face in the next video.